How to redeem Roblox codes. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up if we want to redeem code in Roblox. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So what we can do is we can head over to a browser, and it's usually done on the browser instead of the application. So we can go over and search for Roblox promo code redemption page, and that should let us to that page directly. This one right here, where we can redeem. So all we gotta do is, if we're not logged in, we need to log in first. And once we are logged in, we'll be finding a section called code, where we can enter up a promo code. So go ahead and enter up your promo code in this section. Once it's done, you can click on this option called redeem. And if valid, the item goes to your inventory. If you want to look out for gift cards and redeem the gift card instead, you can look out for the gift card redemption page, which is this one right here. In the top right corner, we can find redeem card option that we can click on, and that should again lead us to the section where we can enter the code and click on the redeem option to redeem it. And some individual Roblox games have their own codes. You can open up the specific game and look out for the codes, Twitter or gift button, and enter up the code there. If a code does not work, you can see if it's expired, already used, if it's typed wrong place, or a fake code. And that's it, everybody. This is how you should be able to redeem it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.